A story, The Boy Who Changed His Life. When I was small, I thought life was only fun. I did not care about study. My father gave me everything. If I wanted a toy, he bought it at once. Slowly, I became lazy. I did not read book. I wasted all my time. One day, my father said, "Money will not stay forever. Only knowledge will help you." I laughed at his word. I thought life would be easy. I was wrong. When I grew older, I wanted a good job, but nobody accepted me. I had no skill, I had no discipline, I had only regret. I cried alone at night. I remembered my father's words. They hurt me deeply. Next morning, I decided I will change my life. I will work hard. Today I am successful. I know the value of effort. Hard work made me strong.